how to finance your startup business using your 401k. First, you have to form a C corporation. And the reason it's got to be a C corporation is because C corporation is the only type that can actually issue stock. Second of all, you are going to create a retirement account under this C corporation. Third step, you are going to roll it over either your 401k or your partner's 401k or a combination of both to this newly formed 401k account under the corporation. Because the rollover now, this account is funded, therefore, this can be used to purchase the stock of the company. And because now the company has money, this company now can start a business or buy a franchise. And this is a very typical structure that how most people use this to fund their franchise business. And that is a financial tip of the day from Bliss Finance.